And this is our one for units 5 and 6 reflection. So it starts off module 11, which
Westward
is
expansion.
Westward expansion. And in this module talks about how Americans started to move out west more and more, which greatly influenced the Native Americans who have had their homes out there and their cultures and just been to themselves, which was greatly impacted by the Americans who came out and took what they wanted.
And as we continued to move west more and more, that also led to the next module, module 12, industrialization, with building railroads to help us get out there more quickly and safely, and that became something huge.
Yeah, in this industrial revolution, which they call it, more factories started popping up all across the country. Railroads were popping up, new canals and modes of transportation were being put up to basically just colonize all of America and create just a stronger nation. The next module, module 13, is immigration and urbanization. This is when many immigrants came across into America because they've heard of the freedom, the possibilities, and the resources that they could get while coming here, and all of them came through Angel Island and Ellis Island.
Yeah. And which further led to module 14, progressivism, and that is when really all of society started to gain like an opinion and started to like search for more than what was seen right now.
And for example, like the very big feminist movement that went through America, which kind of pushed for equal rights and just better ways of living for all people.
And that when like the United States, like, because that led to us, like the U.S. feeling more like power, united, which felt like more powerful, and that led to like the imperialism stage for the U.S. when we really started to be like seen as a world superpower.
And we wanted to increase our power, make our name bigger, kind of establish ourselves as a country that you don't want to mess with.
Yeah.
And that led to World War I. World War I started with us not being involved, but we had alliances with Britain, which George Washington said not to, but we were still alliance with them. And after Great Britain was taking a hit,
and also the sinking of the Lusitania with
the
Lusitania,
kind of pushed us into World War I.
Then we ended up coming out of the war on top, which then led to a really great time for the U.S. Starting out the Roaring '20s, where we really started to come alive.
Yeah, and everybody was in there making money and just having fun.
In the prime.
So that concludes 5 and 6 reflection.